Hey everybody, Hajimoto here. Taking my 175 yard shot downrange. Pushed everything back 25 more. I'm going to go for that now. Catch it on scope cam, catching it on that cam, and downranger's another camera to see the hit. Copy. There it is, baby. I'm going to take you guys down there with me. It's going to be a long walk, people. That's the 50-yard marker. Coming up on the 100. The flag on the left hand side is the 150. This is the 175, flag on the right, and if you look in the background, that's the 200. That was the pole she was on.
You drilled it.
And we blasticated it.
Look at that.
And she got jacked. So, that being said, I'm just going to show you guys the range going back. Going back all the way up. I'm going to zoom in. Under that canopy, right there. That's where it was. 175. So, that's 175.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
Sure will.
It's him. It's him. He got his first on the 150. I got my 150 today, and I got my 175. Guess who's going for 175 next?
175, right here.
That's what's up.
Yep.
See you.